I've been so depressed lately. My wife left me and she took the kids. I just need something to make my life better. Oh, fish shoes. They're perfect. What's up guys, it's me, your favorite YouTuber. Before this video starts, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Please. So you guys probably know who 5 Minute Crafts is. I mean, they literally have 56 million subscribers and they're always on trending, so they're kinda hard to ignore. 5 Minute Crafts is a channel who makes videos about DIY, crafts and life hacks. That all seems pretty normal, right? That's until you actually look at their channel. Let's look at their thumbnails first. They're absolutely amazing. Half the time, they don't even make any sense. Like look at this one. Do you have a cracked phone? Don't replace the screen. Just put some ramen on it. Or just pour some ink on it like a normal, everyday human. A lot of these thumbnails look like they were made by a robot for some big company. Speaking of big companies, 5 Minute Crafts is actually part of a company called The Soul Publishing, who also owns channels like Brightside and all the other 5 Minute channels, which explains why they uploaded 4 videos in the last 24 hours. Like 4 videos? I can't even do one a week. But maybe this channel has a life hack to help me. So I thought today, why don't we watch some of their life hack videos and see what we learn. This one kind of caught my attention. 27 astounding kitchen hacks. Why are we shouting? That moment when you're gaming too hard and you bite into a whole pineapple. Hashtag relatable, am I right? I mean, it's not that bad, it's just that out of all the things you could do, who eats a pineapple while playing a game? You know, people always ask me, why don't you just use a blender? To that I say, just look at the results. Why waste your time cutting an apple and putting it in a blender when you can just do that? You know what this reminds me of? This is like one of those infomercials where the person just has a seizure and destroys everything. Don't you just hate it when you're cutting asparagus and your hand f***ing dies? This is a great idea and all, but I think this post I saw puts it best. I've tried these and it's all fun and games until you take a sip and get deep-throated by a 4-inch ice rod. Just saying. Again, I feel like we're ignoring a very simple solution to this problem. It starts with a B, ends with a lender. I just can't think of it right now. What even is this fruit? Looks like an oversized bulb. Is this a thing people commonly eat? Are people really searching for how to cut open a bulb? I mean, people normally get Coke cans from a vending machine. Who carries around chopsticks with them everywhere they go? Ah yes, the problem we all face. When we have so much money that our fridge is full of food. Imagine living with this person. Dude, what are you doing? Oh, I just went to the grocery store. I got some food. You spent $300 on groceries already. Yeah, and so? We already have enough food. Where are you even gonna put this food? Our fridge is full. Oh, don't you worry. I've got the life hack just for you. like how she forgot her knife, but she has a cutting board with her. Like, she didn't bring a basket, she didn't bring any food, she just brought watermelon and a cutting board. It's not a real picnic unless you have your one slice of watermelon and a cutting board. You know, people also always told me, why not just squeeze your lemons with one hand? Again, just look for yourself. Look at how most of the juice is on my hands instead of on the food. It's perfection. So basically, what you've made is a flimsy ass vegetable cutter that you would probably use twice before it breaks, and which will cut you every time you use it. You've made a prison knife. That's what you've done. I'm pretty sure that thing's illegal in at least 50 states. When has anyone ever in the history of the world wanted a life hack to make cube oranges? I'm starting to feel like the guys at the company just ran out of ideas. They're just like, cube oranges? It, add it to the video. They'll watch it anyway. Now if you'll excuse me, I have $1 million yard to get back to. Anyway, that's the end of the video. So what have we learned today? Life hacks are dumb, just buy a well-made product. I think the idea of improving your life through these little things or whatever is pretty good, but obviously they got famous on YouTube, and these big companies, like the Soul Publishing, saw the money involved and started pumping out like 4 of these every day. If you make 4 of anything every day, you're gonna run out of ideas pretty soon. That's when you start making videos about cube oranges, or things that you can literally buy online for like $1. But all in all, that was a pretty good video. My life has been thoroughly hacked, and I hope yours has been too. That's all for today, guys. Hit the like button if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and share the video. And don't forget to wear your fish shoes. I'll see you in the next one.